Hey guys, my name is Anchal Veg and I'm here to give you a yes, no, or maybe angel pick a card reading. So, all you need to do to receive your angel reading is keep your situation in your mind. It could be about your love life, it could be about your finances, it could be about your health, mental health, and then just choose from one of these cards or numbers. You can choose the number one, you can choose the number two, or you can choose the number 3. If you are still conflicted, then I think just close your eyes and pray to Archangel Michael for giving you clarity. And I'm going to begin the reading now. So, for people who have chosen the number 1, I am getting that look for a sign. I feel that whatever situation that you need guidance on, the angels are going to give you a lot of signs and messages about what is supposed to be your next step. I also feel that like I'm seeing this lightning, and like I just feel that you're a very powerful personality, and I feel that whatever you really want to manifest is coming your way soon. It could be about your love life, it could be about your career. An upgrade is coming. Like I feel this lightning, this new ideas are coming your way. I feel that just be more open minded about where you are supposed to go next. There could be some unexpected twists and turns along the way. I think just focus on the journey and not the destination. I feel that there are certain lessons that you have to learn before you have to move forward, and the universe is making you wait for a reason. Like there's a reason things are not yet resolved for in your favor. You have to learn certain karmic lessons, certain karmic patterns are supposed to be broken by you. But I do see a lot of positivity coming. Like I feel the angels definitely have your back. The angel number 333 is really standing out to me. So I hope that you could relate to this message. I'll be moving on to number 2 now. So for those who have chosen the number 2, I feel that you need to choose a new direction. Now, this could have two meanings. Either you are supposed to take a different career path, or you are supposed to take a different path on your love life. Like maybe you have to let go of a certain job or a certain opportunity. Uh, you have to release certain things that are not working in your favor. It could be a partnership, it could be about your career, or it could be that you have to try a different approach to make the situation work. But honestly, I am just feeling that there's a lot of releasing to be done. Like I feel the past needs to be released, you need to start new. I also see traveling coming your way. I feel that a lot of magic and manifestation is coming for you. The more and more you travel, the more you will learn things about yourself. I also feel that work with the element of air. Air has a lot to do with enjoying life and luxuries of life. Like if you're somebody who wants to manifest wealth, who wants to manifest more easiness in their life, like things to go more smoothly, the element of air is good. So you can just keep perfumes, nice scents, incense to work with the energy of air. So I hope that you could relate to this reading. I'll be moving on to number 3 now. So for those who have chosen the number 3, I feel that whatever you are fearing is unlikely to happen. Like I do feel like I see this female energy, like divine feminine energy protecting you. Maybe you have to work on healing your divine feminine energy. You need to work on your inner child. Maybe you've had a bit of past which has been very traumatic, childhood wounds that you're still carrying, maybe issues with your family members. uh, a lot of entanglements are getting resolved, but I do feel that you need to keep on upgrading. Like you need to pay attention to what you need and learn to say no instead of trying to make everybody else happy. The divine feminine energy is definitely connecting with you. It could be any goddess, it could be any goddess of any mythology. It could be a Greek goddess, it could be a Hindu goddess, but I just feel that connect with the energy of prosperity and abundance. Like I feel open your heart chakra. Like you need to start receiving instead of continuously putting yourself out there for people who do not treat you well. Like, I feel that increase your protection and be mindful about whom you share your plans with. The element of water is standing out to me. Angel number 444 is coming to my mind.